My name is Kenneth Ekene, student of University of Nigeria, Nsukka, Department of Electronic and Computer Engineering. I'm in my third year now, and actually what inspired me into taking this course, electronic engineering, is that right from childhood, I saw myself getting closer and closer to electronic related stuff, seeing myself fixing spoiled gadgets in the home, and always having that interest in playing around with circuits in the house. So after my secondary school, and it was time for me to choose a course of study to further my study in the university. I saw it that there was no any other course that was so much related to my heart than what I saw myself doing right from childhood, which is electronic engineering. And electronic engineering became the only option, that is the best option for me. And now, as an undergraduate student, I'm into the course, I'm into the field, and the knowledge I gather from this field will help me in exploring more in what the field has to do. Now, I intend to become an embedded system engineer. I want to see myself in automation field, automating things. Like currently I have a project at hand working on an automated fish pond, a way of trying to make fishing, the way of fishing system easy and affordable that anyone can do, regardless of the work you do in the office or any other thing. I want to make such things implementable, and I can only do this with the knowledge I get from this field of study.